What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. I hope you liked yesterday's video where we brought Altin into the video and I showed you how he edits his pictures. Now again, today we're talking about a German rapper named Shindy. I love his music and I got a lot of requests from you guys on his new picture that he posted on Instagram. It's the one where he is kind of in the mountains at night, just having dinner, something like that. And I want to show you how to recreate this look using your smartphone and the free Lightroom app only today in this tutorial. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look, and it's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack, along with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures in the free Lightroom app. And every time I create new presets, do new videos, they're automatically in the all presets pack, so you don't have to buy it again or anything. You'll just buy it once and you'll have a growing amount of presets, new presets every week. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, also make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my future tutorials. Now, if there's anything you need from me, any new ideas for new videos that you have, as always, feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation. I'm always ready for your DMs. So yeah, feel free to do that. I've said enough now. Let's jump right into this tutorial. I will show you how to create the Shindy look with your smartphone and the free Lightroom app right now. The first thing I want you to do, of course, is open your picture in the free Lightroom app. Now, I've chosen this picture right here of Luciano, another German rapper, just to come as close to the setting as possible. He's also in the mountains at night with the city lights in the back a little bit, and I think it was the perfect base. So the first thing you want to do is go to light down here and then go to curve on the upper right side. And I want you to recreate this very simple curve as it is right here. So on the bottom left side, we want to pull up the shadows a little bit and then just get a really soft S curve to the upper right side to the highlights. And once you've copied this curve as it is right here, you can make a screenshot and really work on the curve if you want to. But once you have it, we are done. And then I want you to boost up the exposure, in this case a little bit, to plus 0.45 right here. And then we pull down the contrast to -32 and pull down the shadows as well to -8 and the blacks down to -8 as well. Then we're done with the lights. We go over to the colors, and here I just want you to boost up the temperature a little bit to plus 29 to get that orange vibe, orange mood light in there as in the Shindy picture. And the tint, leave that at 0. And then we go to the color mix on the upper right side. Here I just want you to go to the orange tones and just pull down the hue a little bit to -8 or 9 right here, just to give those orange tones a little bit of red in there. And then we go over to the yellow tones, and here I just want you to boost the saturation to plus 20 just to increase the yellows in the image a little bit. And then we're done. Here we go over to effects, and I want you to pull down the clarity to -34 just to make the image a little softer. Then dehaze, we want to boost that up to plus 23 just to give a little bit of those deep blacks in there. And then the grain, we want to boost up all the way to 20 in this case. Not too much, but for the size, we want to boost that up a little bit to 38 right here. And the roughness, again, we want to boost that up to 78 in this case. And now to me, the grain looks perfect. Then we're done. We go up and hit split toning on the upper right side. And this is where the final color tones come in. So for the highlights, we want to go to a hue of around 42, or let's say around 42, and a saturation of 42 as well. So it's 42, 42, really orange for the highlights. And now the shadows, we want to pull to that blue area to a hue of 240. 214 or around 215, and a saturation of around 11 is perfect. So it's 218 and 11, and then we are done here. And that's it, guys. Here's a little before and after. And I think we came super close to that Shindy inspired look. It's also a lot of grain in there. We have the orange highlights and those blue blown out shadows. I think we came super close. I'm really happy with the result. Hope you guys are too. And once again, if you're having troubles with the curve or whatever, I've created a preset on exactly this Shindy inspired look. It's on my website, the link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures. Most of you guys already have the all presets pack. The preset is now online. For the rest of you guys, I really recommend that pack because every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to your pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week, every time I do a new video. So I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under the video. And of course, if you haven't already, also make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future tutorials. Now, if there's anything else you need from me, any new ideas for videos you have, or any problems with anything, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. I'm always happy to hear from you guys. And of course, I'm always really excited to see what you guys come up with, what you create as well. So maybe tag me in your posts if you want to, or just send me your posts in the DM, and I'm really excited to see your pictures. So thanks so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay creative, stay healthy, peace.